Okay, so a couple weeks ago, I was scrolling Facebook and an ad came up for a bra panty company that I had never heard of before. They were having a warehouse sale, and the ones on the model looked cute, and I thought I'd check it out. The company is Understance here. I got quite a few items, and all of this I actually got for the price that I would pay essentially for one Victoria's Secret bra. So I thought I'd try them out. Each bra, these were all sale items. Each bra was $10, and then I got, I think, 2 pair of panties that match one of the bras. I thought these were all really cute. And then the same bra in black. Here's another one that does not have an underwire. It's sort of a deep V. There's no wire at all. I don't really have anything like this, but it looked like it would be comfy, and I believe it had some pretty good reviews. This was another one that I thought was pretty cute. I believe it's the same style as that black one without the underwire, but in sort of a lilac. And then this was I think the only one that they had the matching panties to go with. So I went ahead and got that. 2 of the same matching panty to go with that right there. So all of this, the bras were $10 each, and the panties were $3.50 each. So that essentially comes out to the price of one Victoria's Secret bra if you buy one of their more expensive bras, which I generally do. I did just open it up, so I haven't tried them on yet, but they do have really good reviews from what I've seen, and the quality does feel pretty good. I would say the underwear do feel very nice, very almost like silk instead of satin, which is nice. But I just thought I would share that because I had never heard of the company before, and their warehouse sale does seem to still be going on. And even if you really don't like them, if you just try out a couple bras, you really haven't lost out on too much, so it might be worth a shot.